how to use ChatGPT to practice spoken English. Now, many people don't know this, and there was actually a new feature that was added. We could actually speak to ChatGPT. So here, if you come and click on this is voice mode. You will find it available on your phone as well, on the app, and this is me on my browser. So I'm going to click on use voice mode. There we go. You have to enable your microphone in the settings. So come here. Okay. Make sure this is toggled on. So now we have given it permission. So if I go ahead and turn my microphone on, I can say hi. Hi, ChatGPT. Can you hear me?
Loud and clear. How's it going?
Well, it's going great. I was just wondering if you think my English is good.
Your English sounds great to me. You're clear and easy to understand.
Thanks. Do you have any ideas on how we can, practice spoken English with you?
Absolutely. We could have a casual conversation about any topic you like. Another idea is to practice role-playing different scenarios, like ordering food at a restaurant or having a job interview. What do you think?
Honestly, I would love to order food. It's about 7 p.m. right now.
Great choice. Let's imagine you're ordering at a restaurant. How about we go through the process?
Well, I would like to order some fries and a burger and a side of fries to go along with it. And I'd love to wash it down with a bottle of Coke.
Perfect. Let's put that together. Hi there. I'd like to order a burger with a side of fries and a bottle of Coke, please. How does that sound?
As you can see right there, you can, go back and forth with ChatGPT, and you can also get a transcript to go ahead and look at it later. And if you want, you can, replay this. So if I click on replay,
Perfect. Let's put that together. Hi there. I'd like to order a burger with a side of fries and a bottle of Coke, please.
so as you can see, guys, you can do voice chats with it. You can even ask ChatGPT what it thinks is the best idea to practice with you. So that is called reverse prompt engineering. Okay, we're using a ChatGPT's knowledge and experience for prompting, basically. And that's how, guys, you can use ChatGPT to practice spoken English.